Good morning, my dear friends. Today we are going to learn written communication skill interview questions. In the particular question, taking interview is a technique. You have to ask or frame 8 questions to the renowned personality or to conserve the particular person. First of all, we will see what is an interview. Interview means meeting of persons face to face, specially for a purpose of consultation. In the particular interview, there are two persons. One is called interviewer, means a person who interviews someone especially as a job, and another one is interviewee, a person who is interviewed. Interviewees were asked to discuss their feelings about the interview. Types of questions. First one is open-ended questions. These questions started with how and why. These are the questions which can never be answered one word like yes oblique. First question, when did you start your career? Second one, who encouraged you? Third, what are your achievements? Next question, what problems did you face? Next, how did the journey begin? These are questions starts with WH like when, who, how, what and which. Second type of question is closed questions. We call it yes no type question. These are questions that can only be answered by selecting from a limited number of options like yes, no. For example, is it a tough uphill journey to become dash? Second, do you believe that failure is stepping stone to success? Next, are you agree with this? Third type, hypothetical question. These questions are imaginary ones. For example, how would you serve society in future? To whom would you dedicate your success? How would you inspire the young students? What message would you give? Preparation for interview. Number 1, be prepared. Prepare for the interview by having a list of qualification, intellectual level, and these questions should be simple and easy. Second one, learn about the candidate. You have to know that the candidate's resume and cover letter prior to the interview. You have to see biography of the particular candidate, even something about them by checking social media accounts and professional sites. Next, be flexible. If the conversation takes a turn off topic, go with it, but do not let such a diversion change the total direction of the interview. My dear students, this is very important topic, important point for you. Work on your listening skill, means develop your listening skill. Being a strong listener will show your interest in the candidate and encourage them to speak of their abilities. Don't ask again and again. That's why you have to become good listener. Next, act naturally. While preparing questions and other information of an interview is important, Do not rehearse so much that you appear robotic. Next, ask appropriate questions. Questions are part of an interview, but you must carefully avoid questions that are inappropriate or even illegal questions like this: about birthplace, marital status, race, religion. Then regarding birthplace, country, origin, disabilities. Do not ask such questions or such inappropriate questions. Scheme of marking for interview questions. There are 4 marks for interview questions for 3 points. First one, questions relevant to situation for 2 marks. If you are asking questions which are relevant to the situation, then automatically they will give you 2 marks. Second point, proper sequence. For proper sequence, there is a 1 mark. Means you have to ask questions like, when did you start your career, what problems you have faced, then who helped you to overcome the problems, then who is your idol. After that, you have to ask questions which are depend upon hypothetical or imaginary. Then what is your message for us, what is your message to society, like this. And last point is accuracy of language. There is a 1 mark for language accuracy, grammatical or grammar for it. My dear students, solve the particular question accurately, aptly, and write interview questions very what you call simply, and you have to write the questions according to the particular instructions. Previous questions for practice. Question number 1. Imagine you are going to interview some important personality. Prepare a set of 8 to 10 questions focusing on his her social behavior and the activities he she carries out. The particular question was in March 2014. Then first question I am going to frame: how did you become a social worker? Means the particular question they asked regarding social behavior. That's why I am asking like this. Then second one, who inspired you to become a social worker? Like this. Each and every person has their own problems. That's why I am asking third question, what problems do you face? If there is a problem, there is solution also. Then who helped you to overcome problems? Then if the problems, difficulties solves, then obviously achievement is there. Then what are your achievements? After achievements, there is a role model. Who is your role model? And if the particular person became successful, then inspiration is there. That's why I am asking, how would you inspire the young students? And last question, what is your message to us? Means these are very simple questions, and these are questions which are very useful according to each and every renowned or famous personality. The particular question, interviewing a Sarpanch of Adarsh Gaon Award. Imagine that you are going to interview a Sarpanch of a village who has been selected for Adarsh Gaon Award, frame a set of 8 to 10 questions to interview him/her. Then I am going to take interview. Good morning, Patil Sahib. Congratulations for being selected for Adarsh Gaon Award. Here are a few questions about your journey towards Adarsh Gaon Award. First question, looking back, how do you feel now? Second question, when did you start this dream? What challenges did you face in the beginning? What support of government did you get? Who supported you in your mission? What help did the villagers avail to you? What was the role of your family members in this journey? To whom do you devote this success? Last question, what message would you like to give for other aspiring villages? In the October 2014, there is one question like this. You intend to know about a reputed doctor in your area. Prepare a set of at least 8 questions for taking his or her interview. You may include the points like choice of her career, his or her social work, his or her message. Then answer. Good evening, Dr. Mehta, and thank you for your precious time. First question. What inspired you to take up this noble profession? Given your humble origins, was it easy to become a doctor? What do you feel about doctors working for 3 years in a rural area? Why did you choose to be a general physician and not a specialist? What kind of social work are you involved in? Doctors are busy 24 hours. How do you balance your work life and personal life? Then, who is your idol? And last question, as an experienced doctor, what message do you have for young aspiring doctors? Next question, which was in March 2015. A college in your area is well known for its innovative academic activities. Imagine you are a newspaper reporter assigned to take the interview of the principal. Frame a set of at least 8 questions regarding teachers' motivation, students' discipline, academic excellence, extracurricular activities, etc. Good morning, Mrs. Shahani, and thank you for meeting me. I understand you are popular for your innovative activities. Then questions. What according to you is the best means of capturing the attention of distracted students? You aim to keep your staff happy. How would you motivate them to attain excellence? Do you think students need to be disciplined? What methods would you use? What, according to you, is the ideal teacher-student ratio? Are extracurricular activities necessary for academic excellence? Why? What kind of co-curricular activities would you prescribe for students? Should students and staff be involved in the civic and political life of the country? Why? And last question, what innovative method would you adopt to motivate the average or backward student. Questions for homework. Number 1. Imagine you have to interview an old woman who lives in an old age home. Write a set of 8 to 10 questions for the interview. You may take help of the following points: her family, reasons for being in an old age home, her feelings and expectations, her advice. Next question. Your college has invited a dietitian on the occasion of World Health Day. Imagine you are the editor of your college magazine. Taking interview of the dietitian, frame a set of 8 to 10 questions to interview him her. It was questioned in February 2020.